All right, today's video is going to cover creating stored procedures in SQL Server. All right, so first off, I've created a query using the AdventureWorks 2016 database that I've restored in a previous video. And I've crafted together a quick output of business entity contacts, their addresses. And what we're going to do is we're going to mimic a query in which you want to come in and pull all contacts in a particular city. And instead of having to run this several times or pull save the query somewhere, you can create a stored procedure with a variable, and then all you need to do is write one line to execute the query at any given point. Another benefit of a stored procedure is Microsoft SQL Server is going to cache the execution plan on that query so that going forward, the query, depending on how cumbersome or how resource dependent it is, it will run much smoother, run faster, you'll get better results. All right, so first off, what you need to do is you're going to start with this beginning statement. You're going to type create procedure, the name of the procedure. For this one, I'm going to say all customers. I'm creating one variable. You can create many, and we'll see once we move down. So you create your variable, and this is what you're going to pass in. So for me, I just want to, at any given point, know what businesses belong to a specific city. All right, and now we're going to put our query that we just kind of talked about. So this is using AdventureWorks 2016. And down here in my where statement, you can see that I'm now invoking that variable. So normally, when we run this, you'll see an output like this: city, state code, postal code. But what I'm doing here is I'm saying where city equals variable. All right, so then you'll go ahead and run this. This will store the procedure. And then now, the great thing about the store procedure is all you need to do is type exec, the name of the procedure, and then the variable that's inside, and then Denver. So if I just run this right here, it's going to output this. If I run, let's say I put a different city, Miami, it's going to output all of that. If I run, let's say, New York, probably won't give anything. Oh yeah, I thought it would be titled New York City. I'm not sure about the state code. Maybe I got a bad join in here, but you can get the point that this is great for stored procedures. Very easy, very simple. In the event that you wanted to have multiple, you can up here, comma, we'll do at state code in varchar. State codes are probably less than 5. There, we're going to call this all customers 2, since we already have a stored procedure named all customers. Down here, in our where clause, we have state code, and now we're going to comma this out at state code equals AL. And now let's run this. Oh, that's right. We gotta run this stored procedure first. We can get that created, command completed. Now we're gonna run this, and let's see what's going on here. Oh, that's right. We got all customers too. We got to update that. All right, there we go. If we go back to, let's say if we actually put NY for New York, nothing. All right. So it's working as intended. Let's do AL. I think Miami had this as well. F5. There we go. All right. If you have any questions or concerns about stored procedures, please leave those down below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and have a great day.